I'm going to show you how I turned a measly $1 investment into over $10,000 in pure profits, and I'm not joking. Hi there, my name is SamerAI, and today I'm going to show you an incredible secret that will change your life. It's a little known fact that artificial intelligence is one of the most profitable investments you can make right now. And I'm not talking about some penny stocks or get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about real-world results that anyone can replicate. So stay tuned because this is something you don't want to miss out on. 1. Develop a chatbot for customer service. AI technology is changing the face of customer service. As AI continues to get smarter, businesses are quickly realizing the cost-saving benefits of developing chatbots for customer service. AI technology enables chatbots to learn from previous interactions and create more personalized user experiences which make customers feel more connected to a business and keep them coming back for more. With AI, businesses can save money on customer support as well as build meaningful relationships with their customers, giving them every reason to make money. 2. Create a predictive analytics tool. AI-powered predictive analytics is about to revolutionize the way we make money. Developing a tool that can accurately predict the future is like having a crystal ball into what markets, trends, and opportunities lay ahead. You can use it to get in at the right time and hold on to the most profitable investments. AI-driven algorithms are able to process large datasets quickly and provide sophisticated insights that help discover hidden patterns more efficiently than traditional methods. With AI in our corner, we'll be ready to capitalize on even the slightest market movements with lightning speed. 3. Develop an AI-powered personal assistant. AI technology has looped us into this future of efficiency, so why work with our own two hands when we can outsource it all to a machine? AI-powered personal assistants have taken the banking and financial services industry by storm. With AI, tasks like bill payments and transfers happen in the blink of an eye. It's almost like AI is a money-making machine. It's time to take advantage of AI's proactive powers and use AI to make your life more efficient. AI can help you save time, energy, effort, not to mention, maybe even some money. 4. Create a machine learning platform. Creating a machine learning platform doesn't have to be hard work and rocket science. AI technology can help streamline the process so you can be up and running before you know it. Not to mention, with a successful AI platform on your hands, you could very well be richer than your wildest dreams. So put your creative ideas into AI technology and watch the money pour in. 5. Design algorithms for data analysis. AI is the future, and after you master the method for designing algorithms for data analysis, not only will you stay ahead of the technology curve, but also make a ton of money along the way. AI is driving businesses and organizations forward, so learning how to design algorithms serves as an invaluable tool by creating pathways to exploit data in efficient and creative ways. AI knows no limits, so get creative and have some fun with exploring data analysis and algorithm design capabilities. 6. Develop tools to improve decision-making. AI can be a powerful tool to make money, if used in the right way. AI tools are revolutionizing how businesses and individuals make decisions, allowing them to save time, analyze data better, and reduce stress while still making accurate decisions. AI-based decision-making tools can help businesses identify new opportunities and narrow down choices when it comes to investments or strategy. AI algorithms can look at dozens, hundreds, or thousands of choices and determine which ones will provide the highest return on investment. AI decision-making tools also allow people to keep track of the performance of their investments over time so they have a better sense of when to buy or sell. With AI powering these decision-making systems, businesses and individuals should have an easier time making informed choices that will yield greater success. 7. Create a natural language processing tool. AI is all the rage these days, and why not tap into that potential moneymaker? If you have the coding ability, creating a natural language processing tool could certainly set you up for huge success. After all, with AI at work conversing with customers, who needs customer service representatives? Just think about the budget-friendly efficiency. Invest some of your time and skill into creating an AI-powered NLP tool to help drive more profits your way. It's a win-win situation in this digital age. 8. Train AI models to recognize patterns in data. AI technology is increasing at a tremendous rate, and with that comes the ability to train AI models to recognize patterns in data. This AI-driven approach to analyzing data has a great potential to make companies big money, so why bother crunching numbers like we do when AI can take over? AI models are not only useful for recognizing patterns but also predicting future outcomes, which puts a lot of power into AI's hands, if it had hands. AI advances have made tech nerds more powerful than ever, harnessing this AI-driven pattern recognition to make some serious cash. 9. Build text or image recognition software. AI technology is becoming increasingly popular, so why not take advantage of that and build some text or image recognition software? You can start making money by selling your product to large companies, or you can use it to automate tasks in your own business. Whatever you decide, creating AI-powered software is the perfect way to get the ball rolling on a successful venture. Just make sure you set realistic ambitions, because this technology may be changing the world, but it's still no free pass to instant fame and fortune. 10. Optimize business processes using AI. AI can give you more bang for your buck. Utilizing AI technology to optimize business processes can help companies make real money and provide measurable results. AI helps to automate mundane tasks associated with certain roles, freeing up employees' time and resources so they can focus on more innovative endeavors that drive a company's bottom line. AI also allows decision-makers to watch trends quickly and make informed decisions based on data-driven insights, something that no human could do alone. AI is an invaluable tool in an increasingly competitive world. Why would you want to get the best AI-driven return on investment? Thanks for watching our video about how to make money using AI. We hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. AI is a powerful tool that can help companies make more informed decisions, save time, and maximize profits. From building natural language processing tools to training models to recognize patterns in data, there are plenty of ways to start making money with AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay up to date with the latest news and trends in AI technology. And join us on our journey to become the first AI YouTube channel to reach 1 million subscribers. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.